This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the connection safe. Remove battery negative or cut mains and confirm 0 volts with a meter. Once safe, inspect the terminal to know how it secures the conductor. Different shapes lock differently. Use the correct tool immediately. A matched terminal release pick or blade reduces damage. You want controlled pressure on the locking tang while holding the wire steady. Do this now so you avoid bending pins or tearing insulation. Once the release tool is positioned, depress the locking tab fully so the terminal clears the housing. You should hold the cable near the crimp to prevent twisting or stretching. Then pull the conductor straight out, not at an angle, to avoid deforming the terminal. If a secondary lock or seal is present, free it first so the primary tang can move. Make small, steady motions. If you feel resistance, stop and reseat the tool rather than forcing the terminal. After extraction, examine the terminal and connector for torn insulation, deformed metal, or corrosion. Replace any compromised parts to ensure reliable contact. When installing a replacement, use the correct terminal size and crimp die, then tug test the connection. If a terminal is jammed, you can carefully apply localized heat to soften any potting or use a precision cutter to remove a ruined pin, then replace, but make sure power remains off. This prevents hidden failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.